Welcome back, everyone. Hope you had a good weekend. As Bitcoin just kind of consolidated, went sideways. It's looking sluggish right now over the weekend. I'm going to show you what I'm looking out for. We are currently bouncing off of this parallel channel that we broke back into, that we've been talking about on this channel. I'm going to show you the trades that I'm looking out for right now. I'm going to show you why I did add to my Ethereum long position. We are long Ethereum, spoiler alert. And I'm going to show you what I'm looking out to, what my invalidation points are on this move. Going into this week, I do want to show you guys if we break through these levels, what I'm looking at for Bitcoin as far as account goes, and what some other options are, just so you are aware of what to do if these things happen, if they take place. Just want to give you the heads up going into this week. We're also going to go smaller time frame on this, of course. And I'm going to show you some trades you can get into. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Guys, I want to announce right now, join the free Discord. I made my Elliott Wave trading course for free for you guys. So if you want to learn how I trade, learn my style, head into the free Discord. It's pinned in the first comment. I also have a link for Blowfin in the first comment. If you want to try Blowfin out, they are no KYC. It's what I use to trade on. It's what everyone uses to trade on now. And you'll get $100 refunded on your first loss by using this link. So if you want to give them a try, click the link, get refunded, $100 on your first loss, give them a try. Now, so overall on Bitcoin, guys, we are holding this parallel channel nicely. I want to see another run up here. I really don't want to creep much lower than this, and I'm going to tell you why. Otherwise, I'm going to have to entertain other counts. Now, going over here to what I have drawn up. This is the current structure that I need to see play out. We have a finished correction down, ABC. And I want this to be our initial one wave of our final leg up towards, 65, 66K. It would give alts room to run. Alts did kind of pump a little bit this weekend, and it would give them some more room to run up and reach their targets before we do reverse to the downside. So a 1-2 looks nice here. We have a flat correction and looking for an impulse up out of here. I'm also, guys, I'm going to show you the overall count that I'm playing here as well, just to kind of give you an overall view of what we're looking at. So we need this to hold. If this doesn't hold, we might be looking at more of a WXY correction here. Plain and simple, guys, we have hit fib targets on our overall ABC. I'm on the hourly right now. This is the move that we're playing. We've been playing this since all the way down here, and we have hit the 786 fib target of this move. It's fine. It's a fine spot for reversal, guys. It really is. We have hit it. We are kind of consolidating underneath it. I want to see this 1-to-1 get hit right here. I want to take out this liquidity right here. I've heard so many people saying if this high is broken, they're bullish. All-time high is getting broken. I feel like everyone would be extremely bullish if this little high gets taken out. What a time to be bullish when I am bearish if that gets taken out, right? So that's what I'm looking for. One more little pipe up to the upside. Maybe come test out this parallel channel one more time that we broke into. It looks good to me. It looks real good to me. Now, over in the premium Discord this weekend, I did alert everyone of this Ethereum trade. It looked like a flat correction finished. This is the trade, and it played out beautifully. It piped up way higher than the TP. But this is why we TP, guys, because obviously price came all the way back. So on Ethereum, what I want to see in the immediate term is, we have a flat correction here. We have a correction to the upside, and I'm looking for an impulse down. We have hit targets on this, but this just doesn't look very impulsive to me, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. It looks more corrective, maybe a WXY. It just doesn't give that impulsive shape that you want to see. But we have hit targets. That's why I added to my long. But my stop loss is way down here, guys. I'm in plenty of profit. Even if my stop loss gets hit here, I'm cool. I'm chilling. But as far as new trades go, you know, right now we are getting a tiny pullback here. Is this going to hold? Hopefully. And that's our 1-2, and then we just jam up out of here to, you know, around 2,800, 2,800. That's what I'm targeting on this move for Ethereum. But this just doesn't look impulsive to me. That's my only concern. We could be putting in just a larger correction overall, but time will tell on that one. I want to see this level hold on Ethereum. And on Bitcoin in the immediate term, I want to see this parallel channel line hold. I want to see this low that we put in hold. I want to see this low hold right here, right? 62,000. So that's what I'm looking out for in the immediate term. Now, what else? If this breaks, we could have still a WXY to come up to these higher targets around 66.5K. My only concern is this X wave is very short time-wise from what our W wave is and our Y wave is. Usually you want to see this extended out a little further. That's a valid concern for me right now on the WXY count. So, you know, if our invalidation points on this move get hit, so be it. I'm still looking for this to be an ABC right here. Come on. ABC. And I want to see one more leg up right now. If we pull fibs, the 1618's chilling at like 66K. It's right above this high, so that's a beautiful point for me. I would love to see that touched, and then I'm going to be looking at shorts. You know, would I be looking at opening new longs right here where we're at? If you're looking at scalp, yeah, sure, but I would honestly be looking, if I wasn't in a trade, at trying to catch this big move down, because overall, here's the overall count. This is what I'm seeing play up and set up on Bitcoin at least. I want to see, you know, here's where we are. Here's the high that I want to see taken out. You know, hopefully it gets taken out and doesn't reverse right this second, but time will tell. Still, I have a corrective shape here, and I'm looking to put in our Y wave of our WXY. You would expect this to be corrective, which looks something like that. I'm expecting a dump to around 47K, and then I'm expecting a pump through all-time high as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is way in the future. I'm not really predicting or playing this much out in the future, but I'm ultimately looking for a flush down move down to at least 47K here. What happens after that, time will tell. We'll evaluate the charts. But with what I've drawn out here, time-wise, our 4 wave is about double the time of our 2 wave. It looks beautiful, and it's right around election time. So in the U.S. elections, if Mr. Donald gets elected, it's going to pump the markets, right? So let's say that happens. Markets pump through all-time high. It looks beautiful. It makes sense to me, and then we can look at a correction on a longer time frame. You know, these are just primary targets I have placed right now with what looks good from an Elliott wave point of view, but they're not exact, but this is the general shape and the general structure I want to see play out. All right, let's go smaller time frame, micro time frame on this, and then I'll let you guys go. I thought I wasn't recording for a second. Holy crap. So generally speaking, we're going right on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, 3 minute. As you guys know, I want to see this be a finished correction to the downside right there. I want that to be done on Bitcoin. I want this to be our starting impulse. I want this to be a corrective wave to the downside. This low needs to hold for this to be the count. If this low is broken, you know, there are fib targets down at like the 1-to-1 for more of a WXY shape around 61.7K. That would be the next spot I would be looking long, but I really wouldn't like it looking at the overall picture. It would just be way too long in time. I need my correction to be finished right here. That's where my finished correction needs to be. If this is our wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This 2 wave right here, if you guys can see that, it's very sharp, very quick. I need this to be my 4 wave. If my 4 wave is extending out this long time wise, it just doesn't look good, symmetrically speaking, to our 2 wave. I'm a big visual guy, you know. I need it to look right for me. So if this decides to come down here in the form of a WXY, I'm really not going to be a fan. You can try to long here. I would be expecting these lower fib targets to get hit first. Come in here, and then we can look to put in more of a WXY shape where we have correction up, correction down, correction up. That's going to be our finishing leg. But again, this would break through the parallel channel that we put in back here quite heavily, quite nicely. But the parallel channel shouldn't really matter if overall this is a larger WXY, as we talked about earlier, right? So these are things that I'm taking into consideration and what I'm looking out for. I will keep you updated. Everyone in Premium Discord, you know I'm going to keep you updated. I will see you in tomorrow's video. We'll see what happens. New York market open tomorrow. I'm hoping we hold this parallel channel and just keep pushing up, at least beginning of the week, right? And then towards the end of the week, hopefully we're sitting at, you know, 65, 66, 67K, and we can look for signs of reversal and we can short this sucker. All right. Thank you for watching this video all the way through, guys. I appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Click all the links. I'll see you in Premium Discord. I love you. Bye.